Good morning, everybody. Look at all of this snow that we woke up to. Let's show the snow.
I made a plow.
Oh my goodness.
I really made a plow.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this snow. It is still coming down. I'm sure Ryan's probably gonna have to work later than usual today. His new hours, he actually gets done at 1:30, but I am sure he's probably gonna be out. It's gonna be a long day. It's just coming down. It's supposed to keep coming down like most of the day. I have so much to get done. I've been working on laundry already this morning. I can't find my other battery charger, which has my spare battery in it, so I had to charge the battery for a while, and I'm probably gonna have to charge it for a while longer because it's still not fully charged. I have looked everywhere and I can't find it, but I just wanted to show you this gorgeous, gorgeous snowy view that I have this morning. I just can't believe how much has come down already.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
23 more days! All right, our Christmas cards came in, and how adorable are they? They're from Shutterfly. This is how they look. And here's the back. So I'm gonna be busy today writing out Christmas cards. I have a feeling I'm gonna be going through about 3 of these this month because it smells so good. My house smells like a real Christmas tree, and as you guys know, our Christmas tree is fake. So this is the candle to get if you want your house to smell like a real fresh Christmas tree. The snow is still coming down and it looks absolutely gorgeous. We're having a lazy day inside, and I really hope that when Ryan gets home I'm able to take P out. Are you cranky? Do you need a nap, Miss P?
Yeah.
You need a nap? All right, we're gonna have some mac and cheese and then we'll take a nap. This is our gourmet lunch today because we are running out of groceries. We need to go grocery shopping desperately. So it's some good old Kraft macaroni and cheese and an orange for lunch today. Before, after. I did accumulate a little, me, I know. You weren't there when I started, were you? See, no, but I wanted to see my mama. I wanted to see my mama. You're so cute. Look who's trying to flip over. Are you trying to roll over for the first time? From back to belly? He's getting close, guys. He's trying. You're almost there. You gotta move that arm, baby. Come on. You can do it. Hi! Come on! Come on! Yeah, you're doing it! He's so close. You're so close! Hi, Clifford. Hi. Hi, buddy. How you doing, bud? Say hey, vlog. Hey, are you gonna roll over? You gotta get that arm up. If you get that arm up, you can do it. Alright guys, this is what my afternoon looks like, waiting for Ryan to get home. The kiddos are at Grandma's house having a little time with her, and I'm just gonna have a little snack and enjoy a Hallmark Christmas movie. All eyes on Mama. I see you staring at me. What? You're trying to roll over. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. You're almost there.
Well, listen, I hate for you to get a lump hole in your stocking too, but what choice do I have? Freddie, I'm gonna get these salads.
Oh. Grant. Grant. Hey, Mr. Couch Potato. You look like little couch potato. Hi. Super easy dinner tonight. I am waiting for the oven to preheat, and we're just gonna have some shrimp poppers and tater tots because Ryan is not home yet, and that's what Weston requested. I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get to take Paisley and Weston out to play. He's been playing outside all day, but I really wanted to take him out and build a snowman or something today, but I've been stuck inside with little man. I'm bummed, but it's fine. When Ryan gets home, we'll probably eat, and then he's probably gonna have to go back out plowing. He has been out since 2 a.m. and it's now almost 5 o'clock. Who loves shrimp the most? What?
See my mouth.
Ew, don't show the food in your mouth, you gross.
Camera. Look my mouth.
How's your shrimp, buddy?
Good. There's a medium one.
Mm-hmm.
Look on the blog page.
Alright guys, it is 9 o'clock and I am exhausted. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm sorry if it wasn't very exciting, but this was our day. It was a snow day in. We stayed in all day and we're pretty lazy. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.